Hello guys, Brian back with the FTX token update here. Boy oh boy, look at that big green candle. 88% up for the day. Alright, so obviously there's rumors flying around out there, and I'm sure a lot of people are pretty excited about this, and thought I'd throw out a video here and try to break this down. And you might just want to be careful there, guys, about buying big green candles. Okay, I'm not saying that that investing in this, you know, make up your own decision with that stuff. I am not a financial advisor, but I would just be very careful with buying big candles like this. So if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. We do a giveaway at the end of every month. We gave away 100 ADA on April 1st, and to be a winner, all you have to do is be subscribed to the channel. We're going to do another giveaway the last day of the month, and there's also a link, a KuCoin link in the description of the video for 20% off of trading fees. That is just a thank you from KuCoin. Sent me that in an email, so that's for the subscribers, and usually you don't get anything off your trading fees. So if that's something you're interested in, go ahead and check it out. But let's dig into this and see what's going on today. Okay, right here we're going to go to CoinDesk. Crypto exchange FTX could reopen, its attorney says. The firm's FTT token surges. Alright, this is about roughly an hour and a half old. Yeah, I think it's Sam Bankman-Fried. What a shame with all that. You know, FTX, the crypto exchange that collapsed spectacularly in November, is considering reopening at some point in the future as it navigates bankruptcy. Its attorneys from Sullivan and Cromwell said in a court hearing on Wednesday one potential option discussed was to let FTX creditors convert a portion of their holdings to a stake in a reopened exchange. FTX's FTT token more than doubled in price following the news. Andy Dietrich, the lead attorney for FTX, told the court that restarting the exchange was one of many potential options being considered for the future of the company. And that if that path is taken, Dietrich said the plan would require significant capital to be raised, and said there was internal debate over whether that capital should come from the FTX estate's capital or third-party capital. There are possibilities that customers could have an option to take part of their proceeds that would otherwise receive in cash from the estate and receive some kind of an interest in the exchange going forward, Dietrich said. However, the attorney stressed that the possibility of restarting FTX is one of many, and any decisions are far from final. There are as many opinions on this, I think, as there are professionals involved in this case, Dietrich said, and that's a lot. Okay, so we'll see. The FTX attorneys also told the court they've recovered $7.3 billion in liquid assets from the defunct exchange, up from January's $1.9 billion tally. However, they added FTX is still far away from an equity distribution, and you can see that big green candle there on CoinDesk. All right, yeah, so just please be careful out there. Okay, guys, we're going to go back to that chart in a second here, but here's your crypto bubbles. This is for the day. You can see, wow, all the other ones have to squeeze in around FTT here. That thing is just flying. For the hour, it's down 5%. All right, so you can see these big green candles don't go up forever. Okay, the crypto fear and greed index, the market cap is down 0.71%. Volume is up 3.34% over 24 hours. Bitcoin dominance is flat at 45.4%. And the crypto fear and greed indicator is at a 65 now. We were at a 68 yesterday. Still in the greed. And here's your top 100 gainers and losers from CoinMarketCap. And we'll go down through them here so you can see a lot more red, okay, on the right. And you can see 3, 4, 10, 11%, you know, STX there, I cover it. It's down almost 11%. Singularity Net, some good protocols there. So let's get back into this chart, guys. All right, this thing now, it's down to 71%. All right, let's break this down to the hourly. All right, this thing just shot off like crazy. All right, obviously you can see, okay, a support and resistance right there. Okay, and if we go down through here, let's put this back. Let's put it on a daily chart. Okay, you obviously had we're gonna figure this chart out as we go here. I haven't looked at this thing for a long time. All right, we obviously had a resistance line coming down here, okay, that got rejected off of here, started way up there, came up, tried to break out of it, got rejected, came over here, and now it has broke out of it. Okay, now right there is the first support and resistance line. You can see it right there. Okay, all right, so let's go back to the 4-hour chart and put this on here. Okay, so this thing has not come back and retested. It hasn't retested this area yet, this breakout at $1.73, and the and put it back on the hourly. It did retest. It did retest 224. Okay, now let's look at the RSIs and see where they're at. The relative strength index down at the bottom here, right? So we can get an idea if this thing is stalling out or if it has more legs on it. Okay, that RSI, it's right here down at the bottom, is getting towards the top. The floor is, it's curved back up. Okay, that just happened right after this blast off because it was on its way down. The daily is coming up, and let's look at the 8 and the 12. The 8 is curving back up, and the 12 is at the top. All right, so hard to say. This thing could have some more legs on it, but at one point, you know, let's measure this move. At one point, this thing was up close to 110%. Holy moly. Now it is down, you know, it's roughly down 15% already. So just a little friendly advice, you know, do not buy big green candles. Okay, you can, this is on the 15-minute. You can see that retest. You know, that this makes it much more easier to explain here. All right, we had a level here that got retested. Okay, and but these levels down here, it blew right through it, and usually a coin will come back at some point to retest these levels. Okay, these breakouts. Okay, that's why, you know, I always say to my subscribers, you know, just friendly advice, not financial advice. Don't buy a big green candle. Okay, if you buy it way up here at $2.80, well, then the thing pulled back down to $2.24. You know, could it take off from here? Yeah, sure, it could, but you know, this thing is up in the air right now. Okay, I really don't know what more to really say about it. Okay, let's put it on the 1 hour here. Okay, it's not even forming any really any waves here, you know, unless we come down here and say, I don't know, maybe let's pull this up a little bit. This could be a 1, I guess, down here, 2. Then if this is the third wave coming up, you know, expect the fourth wave is your biggest pullback. You know, if this is even playing out here, because this thing is just taken off of, you know, just I don't know how to say it, just euphoria right now is what this thing is taken off from. Okay, so I can't even really get a wave count on this. You know, that my guess, I guess maybe it might end up looking something like that. Who knows? This thing could pull the whole way back down. It could pull the whole way back down here. You know, so just be careful out there, guys, and keep your eye on it. Okay, keep an eye on that. Let's see what we got here. $2.20. What is it? 225 roughly. I'm just trying to move it a hair. Yeah, that 225 level. If we lose that level, this thing's coming back down to $1.99. If we lose that level, it's coming back down to $1.74. Okay, and if you lose that, then it's coming the whole way back down to $1.38. So just be careful out there. That's all I'm asking. You know, I'm just kind of more or less putting this out as I don't cover this token. I haven't since it collapsed, and just trying to, you know, just heed the warning out there. That's all. So thank you so much, guys. Please hit that subscribe button, and thank you so very much for watching my video. I very much appreciate it. Thanks.